Andarki Namaskaram. Hello Hyderabad, and thank you so much to all the media who have come here to grace our event. It really means a lot. Your support actually means a lot. And today we all have gathered here for the grand launch of TBZ brand, jewelry brand, one of the biggest brands we have in Hyderabad. And I'm feeling really proud that they have called me to inaugurate the third store in Hyderabad, in Kondapur. They already have two stores in Hyderabad, which are flourishing and growing by leaps and bounds. So congratulations, Andy.
Thank you.
And Naku invite Chedanki. And of course, I'm looking forward for a long-term collaboration with this brand. I don't know why. The moment I stepped inside, I felt such positive vibes over here. और आज मैंने 1 करोड़ की ज्वेलरी पहनी हुई है और मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अमीर हो गई हूँ. तो थैंक यू सो मच अंडी. एंड जस्ट वांट टू से jewelry is not just an ornament, it's an emotion. It has to do a lot with emotions. And it is truly said that diamonds are girls' best friend. And I truly stand by this quote. So today I'm wearing this dazzling set from the collection. It is uncut piece. I don't know how. Jarau. So Jarau I'm wearing today. And I'm sure my mom gonna be really happy seeing me like this. And I'm not feeling less than Mata Lakshmi. So thank you so much for this opportunity, and I'm really happy to be here. Quite exuberant. Collections are amazing. You should check their temple collection, their Jarau collection, their pearl sets. So everything is so amazing over here. And I'll tell you one more thing. See, I have a middle class mentality because I'm born and raised in a middle class family. So whenever I remember my childhood, when we used to go with mama to some luxurious, jewelry store or something, हमेशा दिमाग में रहता था अरे यार this is going to be very costly. It is going to, cost me a fortune. But this is not the way. This is not the things over here. They are offering amazing discounts and they're running amazing offers. So you guys should actually visit Kondapur, TBZ brand, and yeah, they're coming up with lot of options here.
First of all, thank you everyone. మీరందరూ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన దానికి ఐ థింక్ గుడ్ దట్ వీఆర్ లాంచింగ్ దిస్ థర్డ్ స్టోర్ ఇన్ కొండాపూర్ త్రిభువన్ దాస్ భీమ్జీ జ్యువెలరీ విచ్ ఇస్ TBZ. We already have 2 stores in Hyderabad, Panjagutta and Bashirba, and this is our third store in High Tech City. So we are catering to all the audiences of Hyderabad to come and explore our new showroom in Kondapur, which have a huge range of diamond, gold, and Jedao collection. We have each piece, as Madam said, is different. It tells a story. It is about the heritage. It is about the craftsmanship. It is about the detailing. But at the same time, it is very affordable. Have a perception that everything is so expensive, but that is not the case. But there are pieces which starts at lower price also. They're earrings, something the other. So మీరు అందరు రండి కొండాపూర్లో ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వచ్చి ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేయండి. యూ విల్ గెట్ ఎ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీ సిగ్నేచర్ పీసెస్ అన్నీ ఉన్నాయండి. అదే చెప్పాను. ఇప్పుడు మధ్య తరగతి వాళ్ళంటే మన దగ్గర చిన్న పీసెస్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. 22 క్యారెట్స్లో మన దగ్గర రింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, చైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, బ్యాంగిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, కందన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, బ్రాస్లెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. డైమండ్లో కూడా చాలా చిన్న పీసెస్ ఉన్నాయండి. సో మన డైమండ్ మన స్పెషాలిటీ ఏమంటే మన ఓన్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ ఉంది. సో యూ కెన్ కస్టమైజ్ ద వే యూ వాంట్ ఆల్సో. ఇఫ్ హ్యావ్ పర్టికులర్ డిజైన్ మీకు కావాలి అంటే ఆ డిజైన్ కూడా మేము చేసిస్తాం. సో ఐ థింక్ దెర్ ఈస్ అ సొల్యూషన్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ దట్ వీ ఆఫర్ హియర్.